We're coming from church. Oh, we actually got up and went to church.
Yep.
The blowing in my face pricks like little pins, but it's great to see it. It will melt slowly. It will give the trees water.
Yep, it'll melt. That's exactly right. The trees will be benefited by it.
And a good freeze kills next summer's bugs.
Amen to that too. I acknowledge that
Also,
other people are inconvenienced.
All we have to do is go home now. We don't have to be out shoveling
snow. Yeah, I'm very grateful for all the bus drivers and the sanitation workers and all those people who are out working. So they're trying to keep people safe, and I hope the power stays on, because that'll put all those Con Ed workers out working.
I love it. We don't get so many of them in New York, so I just had to come out and enjoy the barrenness of it, I guess.
Yeah.
The beauty, it's great. It's been about 10 years since we've really had like more than 5 inches. So it's not even over yet.
I'm having a blast. It is freezing, but all my roommates weren't brave enough to join me, but I really wanted to run around in the snow a little bit. It's really cold, really sharp. I love it. I'm from the Seattle area, so I've skied before. We see snow sometimes, but not like this. So I'm really excited to get my first real New York City snowstorm.
shovel. Shovel why? Shovel over there.
Come on, Sean, look productive.
Look productive. What do you mean look productive?
The snow, I think it's like obnoxious because there's too much and we can't get out of the house unless we have to shovel or like do anything. But it's my first time here in 3 years and I kind of miss it. So planning that maybe we can do something other than shovel and just play with the kids.
Well, we didn't have this for such a long time. I think that it's not terrible compared to what we should have. You know, like I think we're ready for it. We were ready. Snowy
Snowy?
has 40 years old.
Snowy's kind of an appropriate name for a dog today.
That's why I want him to just see a little bit of how the weather is. So he's ready for it. He's 14 years old, so it has a heart failure, and stuff like that, but he's enjoying it. So I'm not gonna walk him too much.